Hey there. You can come in now. Okay. We're not friends.
Yes, we are.
I don't know. This is our super cool new, YouTube channel. No one's gonna watch it.
No.
Except for the little people in the
Camera.
which we discuss in later videos. But you don't know that yet. You little people, you.
You should stop. Because I have a headache and I just don't know anymore.
About what? What don't you know?
I don't even know.
You don't know?
No.
Do you know that... Oh, really? Brandon wants me to sleep over. He says, go to some close friend's house and I'll pick you up and then we'll have a sleepover. What? Yeah.
No.
I might do it.
No.
I might do it. He's
No.
cute.
No.
He's real cute. When Mike gets his car.
No.
Alright. So, I don't know. This is just like a what's up, hey, hello video.
I like pickles.
Yeah,
Is that weird?
Let's tell the little people in the camera all about us. Or just a few things about us.
Okay.
What's up? I'm Natalie. Train. Yo. Don't talk yet. It's not your turn to talk. Let's see. I'm gonna come up with a basic list of things to know. Natalie, I'm really cool. I think scene kids are cute. And I read a lot. And I text a lot. And I listen to music a lot. And I'm kind of a straight up person. Even though instead of being like this, I'm like this. I'm still really straight up. It's all good. I think I'm a gangster sometimes. Yep, that's it. No, there's so much more. You'll learn much more about me later. Rae Chain, you're up.
I like pickles.
Alright, I'll do this one for her. She's Raylin. Rae Chain. Courtesy of me. We think we're thugs. She's nice. She likes pickles. What else? She got darker. I don't know. She likes it when I do this. I don't know why. I don't know. Well, these are some really big sweet tarts. I hate that. Okay, fine. Ow. And I have a really bad hangnail now. So this is going to be the stupidest, longest video ever invented. It's 3 minutes, 30 seconds, and it sucks. What's up, YouTube? Subscribe.